Hello everyone, I am Amik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is types of intellectual properties. So introduction. Intellectual property rights are exclusively rights are given to artists, business investors for their artistic works, creation, useful inventions. The main objective of the intellectual property law is to encourage the manufacture of various types of intellectual goods. There are four well-known types of intellectual property rights. Therefore, designs, patent, copyright, and trademark. Types of intellectual rights. First, designs. Second, patent. Third, copyright. Fourth, trademarks. What is designs? According to Section 2D of the Designs Act 2000, designs means only the features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, or composition of lines or colors applied to any article, whether in two-dimensional or three-dimensional or in both forms, by any industry process or means, whether manual, mechanical, or chemical, separate or combined, which in the finished article appeal to and are judged solely by the eye. If the design is not new or original and has already been published in India, then it is provided to register. A design will be valid for 10 years from the date of registration and renewal for further period of 5 years. The important objective of the Design Act 2002 is to protect the designs and encourage creators of design by protecting their rights. What is trademark? Trademark defined under section 2JB of the Trademarks Act 1999 as trademark means a mark capable of being represented or graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of others, may include shape of goods, their packaging and combination of colors. A mark can include a device, brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, numeral, shape of goods, packaging or combination of colors or any such combinations. A trademark is one of the types of intellectual property and it consists of a symbol, word or sign which identifies a product or service. Types of trademarks in India. First, service trademarks. Second, product trademarks. Third, collective trademarks. Fourth, certification trademarks. What is copyright? Copyright gives a bundle of rights to its owner. The copyrights protects literary work, dramatic work, musical works, computer programs, cinematograph films, and sound recordings. Copyrights gives exclusive rights to its owner to sell, reproduce, or make copies in India. The Copyright Act 1957 governed the copyright law. What is patent? A patent is a right to an invention that is new and useful. A patent is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the legal right to exclude others from making, using, or selling an invention for a limited period of years in exchange for publishing and enabling public disclosure of the inventions. In most, patent holder must sue someone infringing the patent in order to enforce the rights. In some, industrial patents are an essential form of competitive advantage. In others, they are irrelevant. There are three types of patents: are utility patents, design patents, and plant patents. Utility patents are issued for inventions that are novel and useful. Design patents protect the design or image of a product. Plant patents are issued to applicants for plants that can reproduce. What's requirement for patent? These are the requirement of patents. First, novelty. Second, usefulness. And third, non-obviousness. So this is all about types of intellectual property in India. If you have any question related to this, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and share this video, and this video is not for any kind of promotion etc. Please subscribe the video and please subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.